Good day, my wonderful people. It's me again, the great countryman. Remember to like, share, and subscribe. I want to say big respect to all the subscribers. Thanks for the support. Keep watching. Like I say, I have the Sea-View thing coming, and I have the Dexter DUDUS. But let's get back to this guy right here. The undocumented drug dealer who testified against Christopher Cole got bail for $25,000. That's old news. But I really want to talk about this cowboy guy because I think out of all of them, he is the smartest one. He's a real cowboy because he was able to maneuver the US government into picking him up back from Jamaica after they deported him. I don't know how he did that. So I'm going to talk about this. So follow me. Now, look at the equation here. You have the big heavy showerman them, see? And them have this youth, cowboy, and the man in the crew appear idiot thing him a do. Him get deported 2-3 times, get catch with things and get let go. And you tell me, say, the genius them in the show POSSE couldn't see that. Now, what happened to him and DUDUS them is, how can I put it? It is ordained. Now, the real Don in Jamaica is King Don. Because once you have the Bagaman and the Boo Yaga and both your Prezi and this and that, and man them in your business Prezi, what do you think are gonna happen? Now, you have one of the world's biggest informer in our crew, I wanna not even know. And I did 2 videos on Jamaican informers abroad in England. Ethan Green and Delroy Fenton. But this guy, Cowboy, he beat them by like, would I say like 300, 400, 500 miles, maybe 1,000 miles. He beat them from here to Africa. You understand? So, like I say, it's a warning to all them hustler and all them gang member. When you know how to do things, when you see people like you know right in our eye and not even see. Now follow me. Me I go dig deeper in this youth here. Now, the way the youth smart, him get catch with the drugs, you know. After him get catch, him start work with the boy them. And him give the man them a rundown, breakdown. Just imagine you have an army and the general we in the army I work with the enemy. And then him lawyer, Mr. Gregory, have a serious pull. We don't know whether you to get the lawyer from. But the immigration IC agent them want to dash him away and fling him away. And him have him lawyer. And the lawyer had a direct link towards the judge there. And the district court federal judge bring him back on the scene. And then now him getting bail. And him out on the street. I want to know whether youth are there. Sean B. I know enough people know him, you know. I know him real name. I want a picture of him, yo, cause the youth here is a mystery and him a the real cowboy. The shower posse, they make a youth like this bring them down, and them are this brilliant so-called gangster who do this and do that and know this and money run and this and that. Where them they know? Where them there? So all them big time are out there. Look on the man who on par with, and them on for look on. You understand? Because me can't catch you, you know. I don't know you, I don't do you nothing. And the man where they beside you, and them are pre you. And I work with police. So that one here I go for the hustler them, you know, and the shatter them, you know. Just like Tommy Lee, you know, see when him get arrested, the whole of him friend them start get arrested, and then him get a 3-year gun deal, and the gun have all body on it. You understand? Nobody can't tell me nothing. But done see the pre, say yo, the man them, when on the start flex loose, all sort of things reach, you know. Yo, countryman, like, share, subscribe, and yo, I want some more information on the youth here. Because in the America, but you want to know, the feds them nah really work with him. They might work with him now, because them give him a bail to the kind of informing what him do. Him should have get something like Sammy the Bull, when get all one house and one pizzeria somewhere in a youth and all them place there. But goes back to say, most of the Jamaican them we are hustler, them not loyal, all the big man will sell you out. The FBI don't tell we no, and the British Scotland Yard go back to the video them with me Ethan Green and Delroy Fenton. See how the man them bad? You see when police hold them, it's a total different thing. You understand? I'm want to understand that. Yeah. So yo, this is a heads up to all of the hustler and the step of them star. See? Countryman, like, share, and subscribe. Turn on your notification button. And I'm going to keep the fire burning. Now I say I have the Sea View thing coming up. Part 2. And that's going to be big. And I have the Dexter Dap thing coming up too. But also, I have a story on a little man star. I want to the saltest step on me know. The man do a works on, a apps on. Me I forgot to explain that. So me I put all of that together. But yeah, Obia there. Just know say Obia there. Alright? See you later. Countryman out.